So within the maintenance section here, you have the nozzle check. So what that does is it just checks to see if there are any print quality issues with the printer here. It will print a sheet just like this, and it will identify if there's anything wrong with the print quality. As you can see here, I have a small smudge on the black side here, and then that just basically tells you that there's a print quality issue. The next option you have is a head cleaning, and that is what will resolve this issue. You run it and it takes about 3 minutes. It cleans the printer heads, and then what will happen is after about 3 minutes, the smudge like this should disappear. So it would go from something like this right here to this new one, which doesn't have any smudges. So just doing those two options, I say, would resolve about 90% of the issues that you'll find with the Epson printer here. The third option, if you do have a lot of smudges or a lot of dots missing, this is a more powerful version of the head cleaning, one that you would have done in the second option or the one before. And then the print head alignment, that is for more issues related to if you have your prints not printing in a straight line, it's kind of slanted, it's bolded when it's not supposed to be. That option should resolve it. And then these other options are here for more maintenance. If you want to go ahead and fill up the ink, you can go ahead and do that. You can set the ink level, and then this one's more for paper guide cleaning. So hopefully that explains the 7 options here. If you do need any more clarification, let me know. But again, 90% of your issues for printing on the Epson printer will be resolved through a nozzle check to check for anything, and the head cleaning. If you do those often, you won't have any issues. So hopefully this video helps.